Hello and welcome back to Walkman Phones. This is Paul. Today we're going to be looking at something a little different, more of a companion piece to a phone, something from the smart home wave, something out of Google's camp called the Google Home Mini, which of course is a smaller version of their Google Home, which is a bigger base, obviously. But anyways, got this in courtesy of Spotify. They were giving them out a little while back if you had a family account. So I figured, why not take it and give it a whirl? It can launch such things as YouTube, Spotify, Netflix, all with your voice, which is kind of cool. I've never really been big on the smart home assistant, smart home functions. I live in an apartment, so I don't have Hue lights or Nest or anything along those lines. But I figured this is something a little cool, and I got it in just by having Spotify. So I figured we'd take a look at it since it relates a little bit to phones. It says you need a phone to make it work, so there's that. We'll just take a look at it real quick here. That's the kind of like a hockey puck, seems like. Anyways, all the different things you can launch with it. You see that? A bunch of different stuff. Small and mighty is what they're saying. So, yeah, we'll see what's in the box here. Open it up. Nice presentation on it, actually. Let's see. Try not to destroy the box too much here. Oh, there's a pull tab at the bottom. This is the charcoal version. They have a couple different colors. I believe they have a coral and a white. This is the more standard one. It says you'd open it up. You get your Google Home Mini puck right in here. And you grab it. It's actually pretty nice. Doesn't have much weight to it, but it still feels solid. And has a cloth cover on the top of it, which is nice to look at and touch. And at the bottom has this orange grip, so it's not going to move around wherever you set it, which is kind of nice. You have your USB plug. I would assume that this is just kind of some on-off, maybe controlling the microphone functions, something along those lines. And what else do we have in here? Take this open. A Let's Get Started guide, standard, which I'll need because I don't know anything about this stuff. It'll be fun to kind of dive into though. And then it comes with your plug that you need, because this needs to stay plugged in. This is not wireless. Pretty standard stuff. See if there's anything else in the box. Nope, that does it. Okay, so that's about as simple as you can get. So we'll start this thing up a little bit later and see what it's like, but I just wanted to show everybody something, kind of in the phone world. There's so many different things in the phone world now besides our phones, so these smart speakers and assistants. So I figure it'd be cool to look at these from time to time as they relate. Hope to be getting in a new phone here in the short term. Some different cases and different things that I think are cool to show off. As I try to keep this more of a design-centric channel. Showing off things that you don't typically see, or things that are unique that I really like, design wise. And I think this kind of fits the bill because it's a little out there. This is very futuristic, kind of, was it Jetsons, 2001 Space Odyssey type of deal. But that's the way things are going now with smartphones. They're expanding their horizons, so to speak. So anyways, yeah, this has just been a quick unboxing of the Google Home Mini, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.